Right here, big time family adventures. That's what the all-new Luminate HH36 is about. Hi, it's Steve. I want to give you a real quick spin around this beautiful Class A motorhome built on a Ford F53 chassis, V8 under the hood, in a lot of, we're going to call it V8 size storage back here. Tankless hot water is right there. You have a nice storage bay here. These are all rotocast materials, so when you are out on the family adventure, even if the family involves the dog, and there are dirty, if you have a golden and they jump in them and they get all dirty, and you know, whatever is filled, throw it back here. Not the dog, you don't throw the dog back there, but all your dirty gear, and then you can take and hose that out, and then you can cook that dog some dogs with the exterior propane connection. Hook up a grill, a griddle, now you are grilling away. Solar on board, 300 standard. Want to add more? Look at that. You have a plug right there so you can take and add more solar to your beautiful full body paint motorhome. Just want to show you a couple more storage bays back here. Another large storage bay. You have a little pass through back there. There are little drain plugs in there as well, so you can open those and hose out all the dirty stuff. I think that's great. Some 110s right there, so maybe you're at a tailgate, right? And you have a little table and you have some other things. You wanna make some guac, some tailgate guac. Keep all the guac ingredients in there, and then you can plug in right there. Maybe it's a little table and the blender, but there's places inside. We're gonna show you, there's so much room in here. And you know, here's a little place you can run the leash, a little pet tie down for you there. If you are traveling with your poochies, tailgate machine, you betcha. Right here, smart TV. All the apps are built right in. You have Winegard Connect 5G on board, so you can stream all your favorite shows and sports and movies. This is a soundbar if you want just some tunes. Rock out in your HH36. This is a rockin' family rig. Another large bay I wanna open right here. So check that out. Maybe it is dudes weekend, right? You got all your dudes together and you have some golf clubs in there and you're thinking, I don't know, a bunch of dudes? Yeah, plenty of places for everybody in here. Maybe it's just ladies, long trip with the ladies, right? However you want to do it, doesn't matter. Or the entire family, or the family and friends. Because you know, as kids, as we head on in, the kids always want to bring someone, right? Like, it'll make it more fun. Well, it doesn't matter. It will make it more fun, depending on the kid. Because parents, you know, there's always that kid. And you're like, no way, is that kid coming on our trip? Pick a different friend. You've been there. I know you have. We've all been there, right? Whoever is on board, become part of the living area. Right here, both of these seats swivel. Pedestal table goes in here. So this turns into just a nice getaway area. Power driver's seat. When this is spun around, this is great little workstation right here, so you can pull that out. Maybe it's a mobile office, whatever it is, get ready in the morning, kids are doodling. You have an inverted plug down below, USB A and C, 12 volt right there, into the dashboard. You have cruise control, maintenance reminders. Little pad here will help pull up cameras, whether it's the backup camera or the side view cameras. This swivels, moves, rotate it however you want. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, whatever you need. An HVAC down below, a lot of cup holders, really a great machine, a lot of storage up here. Then right above my head, check this out. Key operated Project 2000 bunk. So somebody gets to sleep right up here. I love that it is key operated, quiet, fast, easy, up and down. You're thinking, okay, so you have the bunk here, and I'm looking around, and you have a dinette, and you have the theater seats, and you have a sofa. How many people are gonna sit in here? How many people can you sleep in here? Check this out. Seatbelts for 9. Seatbelts for 9, sleeping for 6. We're gonna start right here at the sofa because that's where we are. This will actually fold out. I mean, this is a full pull out. This isn't a jackknife. This is a full pull out sofa. So this is cozy sleeping here. And what's nice, right across from your TV, right? So whether you're here lounging on the sofa with your fiendishly buttered popcorn, or you are cooling out in the heated massaging theater seats, great viewing for the smart TV. Winegard again on board. Maybe, and I'm looking at all the things around here. Stimulation overload, looking at the fireplace. I'm gonna see it, I'm gonna say it. So if it is chilly on those cool camping mornings and someone's complaining, Dad, I'm cold, let's turn that on. It throws out nice little heat there. And then when it gets too hot, they complain that, Dad, I'm hot now. You turn that off. You have dual roof ACs, 13,500 BTU. I like to warm up the old backside. Right here, heated massaging theater seats. I will take these 7 days a week. You have cup holders here. You put your feet up. You have tables. We have the one up here just to kind of show you these will swivel out of the way, or maybe you just want to be here and you want to watch TV, store whatever you need down in there, or maybe, maybe it's just a nice conversation. And you're having a little talk with the dudes, right? Right here at your Dream Dinette. Put the TV down, beautiful views of your campsite, seatbelts in here. You have charging right here, cup holders. So really just a super versatile, family-friendly RV for everyone. And what's nice, you have a big slide here, so it really opens up, gives you a ton of room. You have 84 inches of ceiling height. You have a ceiling fan right here and lots of storage. I'm gonna open this place first here. So whether it is just the dudes and their grab and go gear for hikes or whatever, or maybe use it as a pantry, maybe you're tailgating, you're out. Liquor cabinet, whatever, it doesn't matter. Maybe it's all for your cereals. Then you can store blankets and games and whatever it is up above. A lot of storage in here, beautiful two-tone cabinets. You have drawers down here and super secret bonus drawer, look at that. Pull out countertop extension if you need a little more room. You have this nice kitchen, campsite kitchen right here. All the tools you need with the microwave, the 3-burner gas cooktop. Look at that. Even have an oven in your Luminate. Pull down sprayer, large single bowl sink. Awning style windows, so if you want a nice breeze, the gentle breeze blowing through, you just open these like this and the breeze will come right up and through, and then if it's raining, right off the glass, and it's not going to come in and get your Luminate counter all wet. So awning style windows, lots of cabinets, pop-up outlet. No kitchen's complete these days without a pop-up outlet. You have your GFCIs there, USB-A, USB-C, and wireless charging right on top. As we move back here, real quick, Rapid Camp. This is what you're going to use to control those roof ACs. This is where you're going to dial in the parameters for that 5,500 watt gas generator. Slides, check your tank levels, and this is where you're going to take and connect to the mobile app. And so whatever you do in here, you can do outside. Right here, I want to mention real quick, is part of the kitchen before I forget, and I don't know how you could pass this baby up. Look at the size of this fridge. Beautiful fridge and freezer. I locked it. You want to unlock it like it was the first place, but there you go, look at that. A lot of room in there. Tons of room for family-sized adventures. And this is a bath and a half, right? Bath and a half model. There's your half bath, lots of storage in there. Medicine cabinet, sink, toilet, all this 38 feet, 4 inches in length, king size bed. So this is a tilt-a-view bed, and I have it down right now because I just want to show you how much room there is back here. And then when you put this up, wow, you can really get back here and access the washer dryer prep. So there's washer dryer prep over here. So depending on how you want to use it, if you want just full-time monster, there you go. You get you can throw a stackable in there, closet, smart TV, and now I have this bed all the way up, and then you flip your pillows back, and look at that. Now you have even more room, or maybe you just want to lounge back there and read or watch the smart TV, whatever it is. Then we get into our big rear bathroom back here, all kinds of storage. You have nice natural light with the windows, beautiful cabinets, your sink, lots of counter space. Shower with the skylight and the glass door. That shower is on a wand, really for family adventures. Go ahead, think of a better rig. It's gonna be really hard to find. This is the 2026 Luminate HH36. Get the whole family together right now. Think about where you wanna go and build your own at thormotorcoach.com.